Mobidea Honest Review. Is it the best affiliate marketing platform? My user experience. Affiliate marketing can be tricky, and Mobidea promises a platform that simplifies campaigns and maximizes revenue. I tested it thoroughly, and here's my honest review. Most people assume affiliate platforms are the same, but the surprising truth is Mobidea combines offers, tracking, and analytics in one place. This makes launching campaigns faster and more effective. Getting started was easy. I created an account, browsed offers by vertical and selected campaigns suited to my audience. The platform provides detailed statistics on conversions, clicks and earnings, making it simple to optimize campaigns in real time. Mobidea also offers advanced tools like URL cloaking, app testing and geo-targeting. These features allow affiliates to refine campaigns and boost performance. Customer support was responsive, helping me set up tracking and troubleshoot quickly. The downside is that beginners may need time to understand metrics and campaign optimization. Some campaigns are competitive, so initial conversions may take patience. Still, the platform provides educational resources to get started effectively. In conclusion, Mobidea is a strong affiliate marketing platform with powerful tools, real-time analytics, and a variety of offers. For serious affiliates looking to optimize campaigns and revenue, it's definitely worth exploring.